I'm 20K into a TJ that needs a frame swap, and I daily drive a 2025 Willis that I'm building to go overlanding in. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a contractor, but I realize that most channels have unlimited budgets. I don't have one, and they don't show you the real failures. I plan to give you honest action reports, real trail runs, events, shows, modifications that some I do to myself, some I do here at the shop, and have real mechanics do it because, like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I'm learning as I go, and there's some tough lessons. If that interests you, hit the subscribe button, come along for the ride. Let's start with the money pit. This is the 2001 TJ. I bought it in late 2022, early 2023. I kept it pretty much like it was. It came with a lift on it. It was 3 or 4 inches, I believe. Some bald tires. So I bought some new Cooper STT 35 by 1250 by 15s. It was stock pretty much the rest of it, other than it had the fenders, it had the bumper, it had the winch on it. It had some modifications to it, but nothing mechanically other than the lift and the tires. I added 488s. I added torque lockers front and back, new 4.5-inch BDS dual rate springs. I added Fox Adventure shocks all the way around it, Fox steering stabilizer, TerraFlex HD steering, drag link and adjustable track bar, a rear adjustable track bar. We had to weld some of the stuff back together when they took that apart. Since we put the HD steering on it, the TerraFlex steering on it, the quick disconnects, they don't work anymore. Let me show you. So when you take the quick disconnect off, and even when you push this up, it can't get in between here. So I've got a new one, adjustable one coming that has bracket on here to help that. So yeah, that's pretty much the TJ. It's a 4-liter, 5-speed, 170,000 miles. I may have put 4,000 miles on it since I bought it. I put a new top on it, and then I put it in the shop to get all this other stuff done to it. Well, now here we are, and the frame's rotting out. So I'm on the hunt for a frame. You'll be seeing some updates about that. The TJ has that raw feel you can't get anymore out of Jeeps, at least not as far as I'm concerned. Nobody likes 4-doors. The TJ to me was the very last true Jeep made. 4-doors are for mall crawling. But with the 488s in it, the 4.5-inch lift, the dual rate springs, disconnect the sway bars, man, I really love this thing. Everybody knows that a real Jeep is a 2-door. It's gonna go out on some trips with us, and we're gonna put the test to it. But right now, it's a soup sandwich. Then you have my daily, the 2025 Willis. It's the Extreme package. This one came with a soft top on it. The dealership gave me a hard top. I do a lot of travel for work, and I have to be on the phone a lot, and there's no way you can do that with a soft top. So I got the hard top. They gave it to me for free, and I put it on. There's some issues that I have with it. Another story that's coming out soon. The Extreme package on these only comes for the 2 doors in a 2-liter. So I've got the 2-liter turbo. It came with the Rubicon Highline fenders on it. It came with a lift kit. I believe it's a 1.5-inch lift kit, 35-inch BFG all-terrains. For the most part, and about 10 grand, I didn't think it was worth it. I can put front lockers on it, and I've already ordered my sway bar disconnects for it. So to me, the TJ was the last of the real true Jeeps, and that's why I bought it. I didn't need it as a daily driver. I don't need it as a daily driver now, so I plan to make it a trail rig. We're gonna put it to the test like a true Jeep should be. Oh, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna break some stuff, I promise. People ask me which one is better. The truth is neither one of them. They have different reasons for different uses, for different days of the week. We've got a lot of work to do in the next few videos. A GMRS radio from Midland that I got at Overland Expo East. I've got a video coming out about that. We're also going to break down why I think it's going to cost me an extra $1,000 to finish the install of my free hardtop, and more on the TJ that's trying to rust itself back into earth. If that interests you, stick around, hit like, hit subscribe, help me out. This is 2-Door Ops.